Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. In the foreground is my Hotsy hot water pressure washer. To my right is a 47 RE transmission, and to my left is a 12 valve Cummins. This is part 3 of my Fummins build. Today we're going to be using the Hotsy pressure washer to clean this transmission and this engine, both of which are really filthy. Now I think the plan of attack for me is going to be first just hit it with the clean water and the steam, get most of the big stuff off, and then after that add some soap into the Hotsy and then hit it again with the soap, and then obviously a third time with clean water to wash it off. I've never really used a seam cleaner for this application, so I don't know what the best approach is or anything like that, so we're going to be learning together. I think it's going to go well because they are super filthy. Off camera, I already ran out all of the air out of the lines, and I think today we're going to start with the 45-degree tip just to see where that gets us. If you guys saw my last video with the Hotsy, you know that I blew the O-ring out of this hose, came back to the shop, went in my O-ring collection, and just put a new O-ring in it. No issues. I'm going to throw my ear protection on and we'll get into it. So now that we got that initial, I don't know what you want to call it, wipe down with the machine, we're going to add some soap. Now this is Hotsy's PowerShine Pro or Plus? PowerShine Plus. And this unit's got this soap hose right here. We'll just put that into the soap. And then right here is a little port you got to open so it sucks in the soap. All right, soap's open, and we're going to hit it again. This time with some soap and hot water. We're soaked up. I'm going to take the soap off now, just run some clean water through it. So while we wait for the hot water to get to the wand, that should run out any soap that was in the line as well. Like always, run the hot water out, let the machine cool down. I mean, what a transformation from what we started with. That transmission was black as black can be, just covered in oil. So it did a good job. And onto the engine. It doesn't have any oil on it anymore. The engine's black, so it's kind of tough to tell, but you shouldn't see any of that oil glistening. It's just nice and clean. So the Hotsy did well. I'm pretty happy with the thing. I mean, holy cow. I don't think I would have been able to do that with my other power washer. I think that hot water adds something into it. So the stuff is cleaned off. I'm gonna leave it out in the lawn here to drip dry. It's a nice sunny, beautiful day. Perfect day to let things outside and drip dry. Well, like I said, I'm super impressed with the Hotsy. I think that hot water really does add something into it. I couldn't tell you the science behind hot water cleaning versus cold water cleaning. I just know that it works. If you guys are interested in getting a Hotsy unit for yourself, don't worry. They make smaller units. If you want to just get something for your garage, make sure you check out their website. It's down in the description. Go to hotsy.com because that's what it is. HOTSY.com. Check them out. Let them know I sent you. I don't know, maybe they'll give you a hat or something. I didn't confirm any of that. I'm kind of just strong arm them into giving you a hat. They gave me a hat. Why can't they give you a hat? I don't see why not. Anywho, that's it for today's video. In the next series on the Fummins build, it's time to tear into this engine. We're going to start taking it apart because I am going to be doing some internal parts on this motor. I want a nice beefy motor. So make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss out me, I don't know, figuring out how all this works because I've never tore a Cummins apart before. It'll be a new experience. You can follow along, hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day.